Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone battery is draining very fast, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your iPhone settings app, and here very first I recommend you have to go to General, go to Software Update, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, you have to simply go back and here just scroll down and look for the privacy and security section. Go to location services and you just have to try to disable your location services first, because your location services use more than your battery. So you just have to simply go back from here, then just scroll in the control center and also disable all the unnecessary connections from here. That might be your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, your airplane mode, your airdrop, your mobile data, if they are unnecessary. So once I have done this, simply go back and here just look for battery section, select battery, and here just scroll down, look for power mode. You can also enable this toggle of low power mode to get extended battery life. After that, go back from here and here just scroll down, look for accessibility, and here just further scroll down, look for motion and enable this toggle to reduce your iPhone motion. So it will help you to get extended battery life. Then go back from here and go to display and brightness. Try to select dark mode, extend your dark mode, use low battery. So after that you have to simply go back from here. You have to go to battery section, go to battery health, and you just have to make sure that your battery health's maximum capacity is more than 80 or 85%. If you're facing that your battery health is lower than 80 or 85%, so I recommend you have to try to change your iPhone's battery with the original iPhone battery to get extended battery life. So after doing this all, you just have to go back and you have to try to make a force restart. So just close all of your recent apps. If you have any recent apps, just close that and then go. You have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, just quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to check if your battery health is extended or not. If you're still facing the same issue, so you have to go to Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store or you can use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, then select battery life. And here just select check now to check your battery performance. So it might take a long time or sometimes it might take short time. You just have to wait for it until it's loading. So once the loading has been completed, it will get you some information about your battery health. Then select this continue option here. Just let this get more health. Then tap on call this. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected to the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get optional help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. The next video. Bye bye.